Hello everyone. My name is Kishore Reddy and I am from Jagitial district, Telangana. I am very glad that I have selected as an agriculture field officer in Canara Bank in my very first attempt. And I have graduated from Sri Kondalakshman Telangana State Horticultural University, Telangana from College of Horticulture, Mojarla. Firstly, let me thank the team of AgriCourse World for doing relentless efforts to help agriculture graduates. Now in this video I am going to cover the strategies I followed, my journey and the books I referred for. So you all know that IBPS SO is a long procedure. We have three phases in this examination. First is preliminary examination, which is of qualifying nature, then mains and then interview. The mains and interview scores decides our final selection. So talking on prelims, as I told, it is a qualifying nature, so it's okay to get 1 mark above the cutoff and 125 out of 125. It makes no difference. So the strategy I followed is I set boundaries for my preparation. So for this part, learn the concepts clearly and practice more number of bits, give more number of mock tests and memorize the basics like tables, squares, cubes, square roots, etc. and maintain time. So don't stick to one problem until it gets solved. When you sit in the exam, you just look over all the 50 questions and then don't do sentence based problems like train, boat, pipe, etc. Rather go for simplifications, number series, quadratic equations, data interpretation, etc. And in the reasoning part also, don't solve the puzzles at first, rather go for coding and decoding, direction and distances, blood relations, etc. So this is about prelims, and then comes mains. So it is very important for our final selection. So agriculture is a vast subject, so whatever you read on the same day you memorize that, so that it may remember for a long time. So discussion plays a major role in the preparation of mains. We have to remember a lot of things like schemes, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Paramparagat, about organic farming, etc. And we have to remember seed rates, varieties of different crops and pH of different fruit crops, etc. For that, discussion plays a major role. So you can follow different Instagram pages, Telegram channels, and also WhatsApp discussion groups for that. And my strategies, I have divided agriculture into three basic parts. First is core subject, which includes agronomy, soil science, horticulture, then weed science, seed science, then entopath and breeding, and also allied sciences like animal husbandry, agriculture engineering, sericulture, apiculture, forestry, etc. So this is first part, and then I have divided into rural development, which includes schemes, NABARD norms, priority sector lending, etc. And then dynamic agriculture, which includes all census like livestock census, agri census, forest census, minimum support price. So the paper pattern changes every year. This year they have asked only from general agriculture. Next year they may ask only from dynamic agriculture. So we have to thorough with all these parts. The sources I followed is I have referred a competitive book of agriculture by Nimraj Sunda, and then Essentials of Agriculture by Narayan Nagre, and General Agriculture by R.K. Sharma, and Fundamentals of Agriculture by Arun Karteyan. Volume 1 is enough for our preparation, and then solve bits from Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantha. And you should also make notes for apiculture, sericulture and allied sciences. And this is all about mains part. Then comes interview. By now they have checked our professional knowledge. Now it's the time to check our attitude, behavior, etc. So be confident in the interview and keep smile, don't be panic. And have a good attire for interview. Don't give wrong answers and don't just argue with your answers. So whatever they tell, just listen to them, be patient and just impress them with your soft skills. So the steering of our interview will be in our hands. so we can drive it in our own way. So finally, what I want to tell you is that competition is increasing every year and the number of posts are decreasing. So make your own strategy and build your own strengths and focus on your weakness, and study like now or never. So plan accordingly, do well, and all the best, all the very best for your preparation. Thank you so much.